Welcome back and welcome to another Do Homework with Me Algebra 2. Today's topic is how to graph a quadratic function in intercept form. Alright, let us review. The intercept form is y equals a parenthesis parenthesis x minus x minus. You put a p here, you put a q here, where P and Q tells us two x-intercepts. And if we add P and Q together divided by 2, this gives us the axis of symmetry. Alright, in this case, P is 4, Q is -2. So if we add it divided by 2, that is 4 minus 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Okay? So our axis of symmetry is x equals 1. Once you have axis of symmetry, you can start to find the vertex. And what we need to do is we're going to substitute. And substitute. We're going to find the y. The y is 1 minus 4 is -3, 1 plus 2 is +3, -3 times +3, that is a -9, which means we have a vertex that is 1, -9. Okay? And just like last time we did, we can, we don't have to find the easy point. Because what? Because we already have two intercepts. Now, let us plot. I'm going to move this up, and we have a bigger space here. And all these points we can use. And that's x, that's a y, that's a 0. Our two intercepts, x-intercepts, one is what? One is +4, one is -2. So +4 is 4, 0. -2 is -2, 0. Go ahead and plot these 2 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's right here. -2, -1, -2. And right here. I'm going to give different color. Okay, remember we also found axis of symmetry by adding 4 and -2 divided by 2. The axis of symmetry is x is 1, 1 is here. And we also plot this in, we substitute this x is 1 into the original quadratic function we found, -9. So we have 1, -9 right here. -3, -6, and I make a little bit longer. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, -9 is right here, which means I need to make this a little bit longer. And I want to thank you for your patience. Of course, if you want to fast forward, go ahead, no problem. Alright, so you have the point here. Alright, this one we don't need our easy points because you already got this two x-intercepts, you got the axis of symmetry, you got a vertex. The last step is my favorite because I can connect momentum and connect I missed a little bit, and thank you for being so patient with me. Alright, and done. Okay, remember this part looks like a V, it's not V. It's always a letter U. Upward or open downward. Alright, that is it. Happy learning.